Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how is the angle of elevation measured without the degree given. Well, if you don't have the degree given, hopefully you'll be given corresponding sides that will help you find it. So here's an illustration. Let's use a right triangle to kind of help us out. And let's just suppose if you have 3, 4, and 5, and the angle of elevation by definition is above the horizontal. And here, because you know all the sides of the right triangle, what you can think about is which ratio you want to use. And so let's just say these two particular legs. Okay. Now, here, because 3 is the opposite leg and 4 is the adjacent leg, what you can use is tangent, because tangent by definition is opposite over adjacent. So you have tangent of theta is equal to 3 over 4. Now, to find the angle of elevation, all you need to do is get the angle on its own, and that means you have to take the tangent inverse of both sides. So you have tangent of inverse of 3/4 over there. The tangent inverse and tangent cancel each other out, so you have theta is equal to tan inverse of 3/4. And this is where a calculator comes in handy, because this is an uncommon tangent value. So make sure that your calculator has the proper mode, degrees or radians. I would recommend degrees to give it a little more context here, and then enter this exactly as you would, and you'll find whatever angle it happens to be for the angle of elevation. Now, is tangent inverse the only one? Well, it really depends on what kind of numbers that you're given. In this case, because all the numbers in the triangle were given, you could have gone with the strategy of inverse sine, inverse cosine, etc. But the bottom line here is, if you want to find the angle when it's not given to you, you will have to use inverse trig functions to get there, whether it be inverse sine, inverse cosine, or inverse tangent. So, I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to find the angle of elevation without the degree given.